Auto Marine Cables is a British cable manufacturer with origins dating back more than half a century. Over the years, the company has grown and become the leading cable manufacturer in the UK, also distributing a wide range of electrical components. To this day, we remain a family-run business, now in its third generation, based in Manchester. Our values have remained the same since our inception. We pride ourselves on the highest levels of honesty and integrity, which we display in everything we do. The team treats every order with the same attention to detail, striving to understand each customer's requirements. Customer service is of the highest priority to us. With a proactive approach, our teams are empowered and encouraged to not just meet, but exceed customer expectations. The combination of our efficient order processing systems, a wide range of stock, and a flexible manufacturing process leads to exceptional delivery performance. In our modern manufacturing facility, we produce low-voltage cable for the automotive and marine markets, which include commercial vehicles, off-road, emergency services, marine, leisure and commercial. We are committed to meeting all legislative requirements, and as an ISO 9001-2015 certified company, you can be assured that processes and performances are continuously monitored and improved. As a company, we are aware of our environmental responsibilities, and we are dedicated to improving levels of efficiency in all of our processes. We have a culture of continuous improvement across the site, using Kaizen events and a TPM program to achieve efficiencies. We are focused on improving the integrity and efficiency of our quality and management systems. One of our greatest strengths is our workforce of dedicated individuals that have a sense of friendship and belonging. Their absolute commitment to improving the business is driving us ever closer to being a world-class site. We develop our workforce through investment in training across departments, which we have gained recognition for through awards. The management team support the workforce in achieving company and departmental objectives through training and open communication. As a leading British manufacturer, we look to the future with optimism and excitement as we continue to put customers at the heart of our business.